If a person does not have money, then his brains begin to work actively and think about how to improve living conditions. This is a homemade washing machine. This washing machine is attached to a bicycle. We turn the pedals and the machine erases. A door is attached to the device so that you can put your laundry in. In the form of a tank for washing, a plastic barrel is used. This is a homemade car upgraded from an old car. A welded part is attached to the old car, which completely modifies the car. Such a car moves perfectly along the road, picking up speed. Ingenuity makes a person smarter. Anything can be made from household waste. The inventors made a boat from used plastic bottles. This boat floats beautifully. It is light and roomy. This is a homemade fireplace from the remnants of metal. Metal parts are fastened to each other by welding. Such a fireplace will decorate any interior. How to cut a tree into logs with a motorcycle. Everything is simple. The motorcycle is attached to a homemade device, and instead of a wheel, a blade for sawing wood. How to make an all-terrain vehicle from any car. A self-made device made by hand is mounted on wheels. This device is welded from metal and replaces the chains used to drive a car on ice. See how easily a car with such a device moves on the ice. Take note of this device. This is the largest excavator in the world. But in order for this giant machine to fulfill its tasks, its maintenance is carried out by ordinary people. This is a metallurgical enterprise. At this enterprise, metal products are made from metal. The enterprise uses powerful mechanisms that can withstand high temperatures. This is a do-it-yourself mechanism. The mechanism is like a perpetual motion machine. Inventors can create any mechanism or detail. This requires technical knowledge.